everybody doing today? My name is Dominic, and I'm reporting at you live from the conference room. We're going to be having another very important business meeting today. Always remember throughout this business meeting that I'm not your financial advisor. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. What we do here at the conference room, we have a business meeting. The ultimate goal for the business meeting is to get rich. So go ahead and hit like, subscribe, do all that down below. And also the ultimate goal for the business meeting is to eventually leave the conference room and to go to the moon. All right. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be talking about the stocks for 2023 that I think are going to be going to the moon. All right. And also it's important for you guys to know that I'm an investor in the stock market. I'm not an active day trader and all that. I used to be that in 2020. Okay. Not anymore. I don't like doing that anymore. I like investing in a company. Warren Buffett says to never call them stocks. He says to call them companies. So if you buy the stock, you're owning part of the company. Okay. So if you're going to be trading, you can't be a part of the catalyst that's going to be eventually taking the stock to the moon. All right. So that's what I do. All the stocks on my YouTube channel, I've been an investor in for almost a year, 2 years. There's only one of them that we're going to be talking about today that I've owned for, I'd say about 3 to 6 months already. I started buying in 2022. So let's go ahead and talk about the stocks that I think are going to the moon in 2023. I believe that there's going to be big events with these stocks. I invest for the future in the company. And let's go ahead and talk about the stock. So number one is ticker symbol PPSI. I've made multiple videos. This is the one I've owned for about 3 to 6 months so far. I've made videos for this stock on my YouTube channel. So go ahead and take a look at that. They have millions and millions of dollars in signed contracts for their e-Boost EV charging company. They have around $35 to $50 million in signed contracts in their contract backlog for 2023. Okay, so there's going to be big things coming for this stock. Ticker symbol PPSI. The company name is Pioneer Power Solutions. Okay, so that's a EV charging, e-Boost. They also do generators. They have a generator company. So ticker symbol PPSI. And the next one is going to be ticker symbol ENG, N Global. I've been an investor in this one for almost a year. Okay. It's been about a year so far. My first purchase was in 2022 in January. But I also traded this stock in 2020. There was a huge move. What this company does is they're a construction company on oil and gas and petrochemicals and also the renewable. Okay, so in 2020 they delivered a renewable diesel with hydrogen. Okay, they built that plant, and I believe they got around $100 million or something like that in 2020, and their stock went from like 80 cents to $10. Okay, so ENG, I've been an investor in since 2021. In January, it's been a year. So go ahead and take a look at that one. Ticker symbol ENG. The company name is N Global. They're construction. They do a whole bunch of stuff. They do software engineering. They have contracts for the U.S. military, for the U.S. Army. They were just awarded about 6 months ago a $2.6 million contract for the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. Okay. So this company's legit. They've been around since 1985 or something, 1990 or something. They've been around for a long time. Okay. Ticker symbol ENG. Let me know what you think about that one. That's one of my biggest holdings. That stock, it's a very volatile stock. But I've been holding on to it, haven't been trading it. And I plan on holding on to it this company can announce $100 million contract for renewable diesel, airplane fuel, oil. They can announce $100 million contract out of nowhere. Okay, they build the diesel plants, the sustainable aviation fuel plants. They do all that. Okay, so ticker symbol ENG. Now the next one is Profire Energy, ticker symbol PFIE. Now this one I've been a long term. I think I've been holding on to this stock for about 2 years. I made multiple videos on this stock, so you can go ahead and search on YouTube Profire Energy stock. I bet you I'll pop up on there. They're oil and gas. They have burner management and combustion control. Basically, what their system does is heats up the oil. Okay, it heats it up to a certain degree, and it has a sensor inside of their system that stops the burner. And then once it goes below a certain degree, the burner stops and starts again, and the cycle repeats itself within the burner system. So that's ticker symbol PFIE. The company name is Profire Energy. All right. This stock, they're profitable. They make money. They're expanding their business. They have been ever since I've been an investor in it. And it's trading at $1 right now. And I think I've been an investor in it a long time. So I believe that 2023 or maybe a year from now, who knows, I believe that the stock is going to be higher. Okay, so to the moon on that one. And the next one is going to be ticker symbol URG. That one's going to be the uranium mining company. I've made tons of videos on this one. Go ahead and just search up URG stock. I've been here for a long time in this stock. Okay. And this stock is a uranium mining company. They're going to be selling 100,000 pounds of uranium to the U.S. government this quarter, 2023. Okay. And they're going to be getting around $6.5 million for the 100,000 pounds of uranium. And they have contracts for U.S. utilities, and they're going to be ramping up the production this quarter at their Lost Creek uranium mine. So go ahead and just search up URG stock on YouTube, and you'll see me. All my videos will pop up. I've been here for a long time. And for the next one, we're going to be talking. Okay, so all those stocks we just talked about were energy stocks. All right, you can go ahead and take a look on my YouTube. I've made tons of videos for those stocks. Energy stocks. Now the next one is a women's clothing stock. Ticker symbol CHS, Chico's Women's Clothing. Now this stock makes more money than any other stock that I own in terms of profit. They're projecting that they're going to be reporting $1 earnings per share, positive earnings per share for the full year 2022. Their stock doesn't make any sense. Like I said, I've been in this stock for a long time. You can search it up on YouTube for this one too. Ticker symbol CHS, Chico's Women's Clothing stock. The stock makes no sense. Okay, they make so much money, it's ridiculous, and their stock gets beat to hell. It gets beat down, and the shorts are piling in. The last video I made for this stock, I think there's going to be a short squeeze. But ever since I made that video, it's just been going down. It's bullshit. I've been in this stock for a long time, and for long term, it's going to go to the moon. Right now, the stock is at like $4. I believe it's going to go over $10. Okay, they make more money than any other stock I own. They're going to do like $2.5 billion in sales for 2022. This stock makes more money than any other stock I own. Just to put it out there. Okay. So let me know what you think about all these stocks, and let me know why you think that Chico's Women's Clothing stock gets beat to hell after they report their earnings. Their earnings are insane. Okay, just go ahead and take a look for yourself, and let me know why you think their stock gets beat to hell. It's pissing me off. But yeah, let's go ahead and close it out for this one. Always remember that the ultimate goal for the YouTube channel is to get rich and to go to the moon. And hit like and subscribe. And always remember the ultimate goal for the YouTube channel is to get rich.